Okay, I'm going to show you, I'm going to do the edges of these doors. I've done all the doors except these two right here. I've already flipped the doors. Now I've got to do the edges first before I do this. And so I've taken my little mini roller, taken it off the broomstick handle, and I'm only trying to get about half of this as I'm rolling it off. I got them up on my blocks, and now I've got to hold this out here and do the edge. Okay? And I go down about halfway like that, and that builds up a little paint on both edges. Okay, so now I have to, this backside's already been painted. Now I got to take the roller and just kind of hit the back like that. Okay? And I still have paint on here. Now I can do the rest of this, right? Like that. Now I can take the back of this and I just kind of go down like that. That takes off that edge. Now I see a little paint edge right there. I just gently get that off. Now I painted one edge. Okay, I'm doing two doors. So now I grab some more paint from here over. If I do the whole thing, then it just starts spitting on the back. Because this is 4 inches. I only need to do an inch and a half. Oh, you might have to move the camera, Miss Mommy.
Oops.
Okay, set her down. I got it on the roller now. So I go down about halfway. You know. Now I'm doing it left-handed. You gotta be able to use your left hand.
I'm dexterous.
You know, I'm right-handed, but you know, sometimes you have to use the roller left-handed. So now I just kind of go like that. Okay? I've still got plenty of paint on here to finish. Okay. Now I got that one. Now I just run the back side. Very simple. You think anybody could do this, Mommy? Maybe? You could do this. I'm sure she could do it too. It's just I'm trying to go fast, we're trying to get done, but in any case, okay, so now I'm doing the edge of the second door. And these just happen to be closet doors. If there was hinges on here, I'd have to just be careful not to build up too much on the bottom of each hinge. Okay? Or where the door latch is. Now I just run this down here like that. Got plenty of paint on there. And I hit the back side like that. Okay. I hit the front edge. Just a little. And I got a little goober there, so do that. Grab me just a little bit more paint. And I've done all the doors the same way. You can just leave it right there. They can see me here. Okay. Like that. Run the back on the back side. Like that. And I got, 5-6 inches in between the doors, and that's just plenty. I couldn't make it too much wider than that because you see, we've got all the doors taken up all the way along the garage. There. Gently do the edge like that. Okay. And that is how you do it. And if I can do it, I know you can do it. And very simple. I've done that, and in a minute, I'm going to show you how. Well, you want to keep running the camera? Put my broom handle back on here. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to start back over here. Let's do 3 or 4 doors, so you get the hang of it. Now I'm loading up my paint on my paint roller. Remember, I said these middle ones go this direction. The top, middle, and the bottom. Okay, so I'm just gonna load some paint on here, like that. I'm gonna do the middle, and I'm gonna grab just a little bit more paint right there, and I'm gonna do the bottom. Okay, I've got the paint on there now. I don't have too much paint built up on my roller. Now I can go back. Okay, finish it off. And I'm just going from end to end. I don't have to go to the end of the door. Okay, I'm just concentrating in the middle now. Right there. Down the bottom. Got my 4-inch mini roller. Just like that. Now I'm going to build up. Can you see me in this camera? Lady? Now I'm just gonna build some on here. Grab some more paint. Put just a little more on there like that. Now I can go back and fill it in. And I want it nice and even. Okay, this one's got a doorknob in it. Okay, I just want to get all the paint on there nice and even first, okay? Now I'm going to take my roller and I'm going to go over it and try to go nice and straight along there, all the way down in one go. Okay, you don't want to stop and start. Now I'm going over that way, like that, and I'm going to wipe this where the doorknob goes, and wipe that off on the craft paper. Okay, I'm going to grab some more paint, and I'm going to do this edge. Just going to kind of get it on there. Now I know it's pretty much even, and I got most of it off the paint roller now. Now I can go back with the paint roller and just fill it and make it nice and even. I can kind of tell get it on there. Okay, now I'm going from top to bottom. See, I'm not stopping, am I? I'm all the way up like that. Now I can do the middle. I try to roll as I get the paint out of here, I try to get it off the edges a little bit. You can get on that edge and the back edge like that. Okay, now I'm just going to kind of soak this. And I'm going to get just a little bit more. I'm trying to just get an even flow on here. And the fake wood grains are going up and down, but I can run it sideways just to get the paint on first off. Now I'm just trying to layer it on there nice and even. The whole thing. Okay, now I'm going to go from bottom to top, just beyond this edge and just above this edge with my roller. That's why I don't leave any lines, okay? Mommy did a good job. She painted all these insets first with the paintbrush. That took her forever. That took you a long time, didn't it?
Yep.
Took you
Hours.
3 or 4 hours. Okay.
Probably.
So roll that like that. And I'm just putting it on sideways, and the grains are going up and down, but that's okay. I'm just getting it on there. Okay, get it on there even. You'll be able to tell. You want a nice even amount on there. Okay. Okay, now I'm going from top to bottom, just above that, just down below, up, down, move it along, like that. Okay, look at that. Now, before I finish, I want to hit this edge off again. Just that little edge. And I see I got a little goober right there. And because I got that there, I don't want to just hit it like that. I want to hit it And I'm seeing a little bit down there. So every once in a while you're going to get a little goober in your paint, okay? So now I'm going to go from top to bottom again. I'm not going to do just that one little spot, okay? Like that. And I'm going to hit this edge, okay? Like that, okay?
All right.
All right. Now we're going to do one more door.
I think we're done.
We're going to do one more door, baby. It's not taking me any longer to talk and work at the same time. Okay?
Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.